Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the industrial visit that we conducted at Dieframe Toolroom Engineering. Dieframe Toolroom Engineering is a leading manufacturer company in tooling solutions. They have been in business for over 10 years and have a wide range of experience in the industry. The students were very engaged during the tour and had a lot of questions for the production manager. They were particularly interested in the different types of fixtures and how they are used in the manufacturing process. The industrial visit was a great experience. Our students were able to learn a lot about the manufacturing process of fixtures and the different types of fixtures that are available. They also had the opportunity to ask questions and get clarification from the production manager. I would like to thank Dieframe Toolroom Engineering for hosting us and giving our students such a valuable experience. The objectives of this industrial visit were to 1. Give our students a better understanding of the manufacturing process of fixtures. 2. Introduce them to the different types of fixtures that are available. 3. Help them to develop a better understanding of the role of fixtures in the manufacturing process.